Steph, welcome to Tech Trends.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us, what is blockchain?
The blockchain technology is an open distributed ledger that can record transactions between two parties in a permanent, verifiable, efficient way. That's how the technology works.
Can you break it down for the average individual watching the show at this moment?
Blockchain is a chain of blocks to start with. Okay, now what's in the block? Right, information, data. I did say an open distributed ledger. Now distribution, simply shared ledger, a shared ledger. So a ledger is a record of transactions. So blockchain is a technology that records a shared transaction. Now, within a ledger, we usually have not just money in, money out. We have the name of the person, we have the date, we have time. So it's not just about sharing money around or anything like that. It also has the information and data of the people involved. So blockchain is that technology that allows you to share those in a permanent, in a verifiable, and in an efficient way.
Now, so what is the difference between Bitcoin and blockchain?
Bitcoin is an innovation of blockchain technology. It's only a small part of blockchain technology and the applications of blockchain technology. So Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Blockchain technology is a huge form of technology that has so many more applications rather than just a cryptocurrency. I have realized so many times when I say blockchain, people say cryptocurrency. No, it's only a tiny part of blockchain technology.
A number of experts will argue that blockchain in itself is not entirely safe. How would you react to that?
That in itself is a confusion, because I think if you understand what blockchain technology is, then you wouldn't say it's not safe. So you need to understand what it is in the first place. One thing people need to understand is that blockchain technology itself has never been hacked. Never been hacked, the technology in itself. Now, you must have heard about scams within currencies. That is not the technology in itself.
So now, do you think that a country like Nigeria is ready for blockchain?
Absolutely. Tell you why. We have the youngest population there is around the world or around Africa, and that is to double in 2045. Huge young population. The mobile penetration we have is amazing. We have about 160 million plus mobile penetration subscribers. We also have resources. All of these things are the right places to apply blockchain technology, because you have seamless supply chain. You know, you have faster remittances with regards to money transfers. You know, you have things like verification of IDs, so you don't get fake IDs and things like that, or any sort of fraudulent transactions, because with blockchain, once you apply it, it's immutable. You can't change it. It's an ever-growing list.
So would you describe blockchain as a foundational technology or a disruptive technology? Definitely
disruptive. It changes things. It's a game changer. That's what's being called. It's a new form of the internet as opposed to Web 2.0. Blockchain is now looking at Web 3.0. So we're moving away from things like Facebook, Amazon, things like Google, Instagram, to a technology of value, which is Web 3.0, Internet of Things, blockchain technology.
Can you share some use cases of how this technology would work in Nigeria?
Okay, so health records. Okay, so there are so many people that have complained that when they go into hospitals, they have so many paperworks. You know, that, you have loads of paperwork, and sometimes you can't find your health records. Now you can enter a health record into a blockchain system, for example, and it's immutable. You can always find your health records. Education, for example, certification. That's a huge use case for employers to be able to be on the blockchain network and to be able to actually find whatever certification they're looking for if it's been entered by universities, because it's immutable and you can actually find all of these certifications.